Hello and welcome to iGroops. My name is Bo Bennett. I'm the founder and developer of the iGroop system. I wanted to share with you for the next few minutes the overall big picture of iGroops and what it is and what you could possibly do with it. We call iGroops the ultimate membership site solution, but iGroops is so much more than that. It's a social network, a turnkey business solution, a corporate internet, a fundraising tool, or even a complete substitution for your current website. It's really amazing all the things you can do with iGroops. Now, unlike most other software out there, it's important to understand that we host everything for you. There's nothing for you to download and install. Everything is already set up for you. All you need to do is go into your iGroops account and configure your system. We host it, you run it. Now, some people are concerned about other people seeing that it's on iGroops and the iGroops platform, but you don't have to worry about that because you can completely brand your group to your site. It's a complete white label solution. You have your own domain name associated with your iGroup. You could remove all references of iGroops and put up your own logos, your own icons, and your own footers. So nobody would have to know that it's on an iGroops platform. One of the biggest advantages of iGroops is it is completely template driven. This means that you do not have to create an entire website from scratch that would normally cost tens of thousands of dollars to get this kind of professional solution. It's all template driven, meaning you just go into a web-based form, enter in your information, and your iGroops is created for you. It's that simple. Now, we said that iGroops is a membership site solution. Let's talk about that for a moment and what exactly that means. Membership sites are the wave of the future. They're the direction the internet is going into for providing users with valuable content and a way for the person providing the content to get reimbursed for providing such a great service. Membership sites allow you to collect money from your customers or members and in exchange give them access to certain content that you want them to have access to. This is what a membership site is all about. They subscribe to your service, and based on their level of subscription, you could give them access to certain content. Now, iGroops is set up with two main access levels, limited access and full access. What you can do is you can go through your iGroup through each application and each different section, and in a lot of cases, each different piece of content, and decide which group gets which kind of access. And you can also have standard guest/visitor access. Now, this is very important because a lot of people think that in order for people to see your content, they need to be members, but that's not true. If you want to set it up so anybody, guests or visitors, can get access to viewing your content without actually signing up, you can do that. Membership is only required if the member is to post or contribute content in some way. Now, what makes iGroops completely unique is the amount and quality of applications it includes. Unlike other sites where you have to go out to the internet, you have to purchase all this different type of software and add them all in, or for example, even the software that you could download for free on the internet, everything that's public domain, you still have to install it, configure it, and you can't get all the software to look the same. It's very difficult to do that. And even if you do, you still require a different login and username and password for every single application, and it doesn't work well together. iGroops is completely different. We built everything ourselves. Everything is all-inclusive. Everything looks the same, works the same. One username, one password to get in, and your members can do everything. Here are some of the applications and tools. We have audio-video postcards, audio-visual presentations, blogs, podcasts, articles, calendars, communication system, which includes private messaging and a public forum, documentation creator, file sharing, frequently asked questions, member web pages, photo gallery, reviews, task manager, teleconferencing, video and MP3 gallery, web audio chat, web video chat, and much more. Now, this system is completely integrated with both PayPal and AuthorizeNet. If you already have a merchant account to accept credit cards, you most likely have the capability of integrating with AuthorizeNet. For those of you who like to use sales letters, iGroops is perfect. iGroops has what's called custom administrator web pages. You could have as many web pages as you want as the administrator of the iGroup. And you can create pages to have perfect sales letter formats where you can include multimedia like voice messages or videos. You could also include your newsletter sign-up box right on the sales letter. It's perfect to bring people and funnel people into your group. Static web pages are a thing of the past. Everything in iGroops is Web 2.0, completely interactive, state-of-the-art, top of the line. For example, you could have videos and audios on your home page, and you could set up your video so soon as members come in, the video automatically starts to play and they start to see your message. Another great feature of iGroops is the teaser content. One key in membership site building is to provide your readers with just enough content to get them excited about what they could find inside as a member. With iGroops, it creates something called teaser content that you could add to your home page, where the member who's not logged in or not registered could get just a taste of what the article's about. When they go to click on the article link, it explains to them that they need to join to see the full content. When we talk to new prospects, one of the biggest concerns they have is that they are not technical enough to run a membership site. And with iGroops, you don't have to worry. You certainly do not need to be technical. We like to tell people, if you could fill out a form on the internet, just a simple web form, you could run and control your iGroup. It's that simple. Now, we have all kinds of customers at iGroops. The majority of our customers want to make money, but there are some customers that just want an iGroup for an intranet, to bring a company together to enhance the communication, or maybe for a nonprofit organization, and all of that is fine. But again, the majority of our customers are using iGroops as a business opportunity, a way to make money. And iGroops was designed specifically for that purpose. Of course, there's the membership site aspect of it, where you could charge membership on a monthly basis. This creates recurring revenue for you, which is a fantastic way to find wealth. In addition to that, iGroops allows you to find sponsors for your site. So for example, if you don't want to charge a membership fee to members, you could just find a sponsor who's willing to pay you a monthly amount, perhaps based on the number of members you have, and they will sponsor your site. In exchange, they get advertising on the site. You could also place your own ads in many different areas on iGroops and charge advertisers individually for their ad placements. You could use PayPal donate buttons, which is completely integrated within iGroops. You could use the e-commerce module and you could sell items from your iGroup. This is a fantastic way of earning extra revenue for your iGroup. Then there's Google AdSense. iGroops was developed to completely incorporate Google AdSense. So for example, if you go to Google and sign up and get a Google AdSense account, you could run those ads on your iGroup and earn revenue directly from Google. If you want even more, iGroops has what's called modules that you could buy in addition to your base iGroup. Some of the modules include the e-commerce module, which is a complete online store for selling multiple items and keeping everything in your iGroup. This also works beautifully with another module called the affiliate program. If you want your iGroup, your membership site, to have an affiliate program, get the affiliate module, and therefore your members can recommend others